Hello guys, this is Mr. Aguilar here. Today we're going to be talking about the triangle sum theorem. Very simple type of theorem for us to use. We'll be using it a lot, so please get used to it. Here we go. Triangle sum theorem tells us that we want to be able to see that inside of a triangle we can add up all the angles, and within every single triangle we'll always add up to 180. Okay, definitions are right there, and these are just quick notes. The sum of the angles will add up to 180 in the figure of the right. Measure of angle A, measure of angle B, measure of angle C will all add up to 180. Okay, on the bottom, the sum of the angles of the triangle will always add to 180. Okay, depending on the type of problem, make sure you guys read it. It could ask you to solve for the variable, or it might ask you to solve for the angle, solve for the number, and then plug it back into one of the angles, whether it be A, B, C, X, Y, Z, whatever have you. Okay, so please take a minute, pause it if you need to, write that down, copy it, and then the next slide is problems. Let's go. One thing that we're seeing here, definitely want to look at the angles. In this case, we're given a triangle. In this case, problem number one, we're not given any specific letters to the angles, but we can identify them as such. The first one here, what we want to be able to see is that we're getting 88, 24, and X as our angles. In this case, we want to solve out for what X is, our variable here. So in order to do that, we're going to use a triangle sum theorem. That's going to be 88 plus 24 plus X is equal to 180. Okay, you guys can use your calculators on here if you guys need to. We are going to combine like terms for these. So 88 and 24 is going to give me 112 plus X is equal to 180. We're going to simplify everything down. We're going to go ahead and subtract out 112 from both sides. $112 being canceled out over here, we'll simplify and get X is equal to 68. And all we want to be able to do is we would take that, our 68 would definitely be our answer for this, and we would take it and plug it back in. In that case, our answer is pretty straightforward. The next one on the side that we want to be able to do here is problem number two. And it's asking us for a variable again. Let's find the variable and let's go ahead and plug back into F. Let's see what the angle of F is. Just like I told you guys, you might be asked to solve for the angle. What we're going to get here is we're going to add them all up. So F is going to be X plus 21 plus X plus 61, that's angle N, plus X plus 23, is equal to 180. We do want to be able to simplify this out. We're going to add up our like terms. X, and X is going to give me 3X. Okay, we are going to go ahead and add up our other variables or our other whole numbers. So 21 and 61 is 82. 82 and 23. Let me get out my calculators. Plus 61 plus 23. I don't want to mess this up on you guys. This is going to give me 105 is equal to 180. Okay, we're going to go ahead and simplify out this problem by subtracting that 105 from both sides. We're going to simplify out. We're going to get 3X is equal to 75. Divide that by 3 times. We're going to get X is equal to 25. Okay, this would be our variable answer. We are going to take this number and plug it back into F. When we plug it back into F, we're going to get 25 plus 21. 25 plus 21 is going to give me 46. So we're looking at angle F as our 46 degrees. So we're essentially taking our value, solving for X, taking that X and plugging it back in. Our final solution for this one would be 46. And there we go. I'm going to highlight that for you guys. Okay. That's all what you guys need to know. We're going to try some problems on a little bit. So good luck.